What's that grumbly, rumbly noise? It was a grey day on Greendale Farm. Jess and Bar were playing outside when they heard a loud rumbling noise. What was that? Gasped Bar. Another noise grumbled through the farm. I don't like it, bleated Bar, running away. Wait, said Jess, it's only a sound. But Bar had already disappeared. Bar dived into Jess' basket. I wouldn't be so scared if I knew what the noise was, said Bar, hiding under the blankets. Then Jess had a thought. Hey, that's it, Bar, that's the big question. What's the grumbly rumbly noise? Jess and Bar set off to find the answer. First stop was the lily pond. The noise sounded a bit like a drum. Maybe it was Horace playing with his instruments. How about this for a rumble, smiled Horace. Horace picked up his sticks and banged on his hollow log drum. Bang, bang, bang. It was very loud, but it wasn't a grumbly rumbly noise. The loud rumble crashed around the farm again. Hey, it sounds like it's coming from up high, said Horace. Clouds are made from raindrops, said Jess, looking up at the sky, but water doesn't growl. If the noise wasn't Horace's drum or the clouds, then what could it be? Bar didn't want to hang around to find the answer. He hid behind a bush. Come on, Bar, said Jess. You don't need to be scared, I promise. Let's go and see if we can find more clues. Bar poked his head around the bush. Ooh, I do want to help you find the answer, Bar trembled, but I don't like that noise. Just then, a bright light flashed across the sky. Wow, said Horace, that's so cool. Wow, what was that? Jess gasped. Now we've got to find out what the grumbly noise is and what the big light is. When the flash of light had gone, the grumbly noise rumbled in the sky. Again, Bar ran back to the barn. He wasn't sticking around for any more noises or flashing lights. Horace chuckled. Well, I think it's amazing. I'm going to chill in my pond and watch the light show. Good luck with finding your answers, Jess. Over at the barn, Jinx and Joey had seen the bright lights too. They were very excited when Jess arrived. Maybe the flashing light is a big spaceship, giggled Joey. Or a firework, said Jinx. Jess laughed. I don't think it's a spaceship or a firework, but I do think it has something to do with the sky. If only we had another clue. Meanwhile, Billy was following a cue of her own. She'd found a brown paper bag with apples in. She carefully emptied out the apples and blew up the bag. When Jess wasn't looking, Billy jumped off on the top of the blown-up bag and pop! Bar jumped into the air again. Sorry, Bar, giggled Billy. I could make the sound of the rumbling noise. Great idea, Billy, but it didn't make a loud enough noise, said Jess. I know someone who has lots and lots of paper. She might be making the noise. Can you guess who it is? Mimi, shouted out Bar and Billy. Jess and the gang raced over to Mimi's hutch. They quickly told her all about the grumbly noise and the popping bag. So now we need something really big to burst, said Jess. Then we can see if it makes the rumbling sound. Mimi searched through her art box and pulled out a red balloon. This might do it, said Mimi. Mimi pumped up the balloon. Soon it was bigger than Jess. Whoa, said Jess, that's the biggest balloon I've ever seen. You burst it, Jess, said Billy. Let's see if it makes the grumbly rumbly noise. The friends were very excited to find out. On the count of 3, Jess got ready to jump on top of the giant balloon. 1, 2, 3, bang! The bursting balloon made a very loud sound, but it wasn't a noise in the sky. If it's not Horace's drum, or the clouds, or a popping bag, or a bursting balloon, then what is the grumbly rumbly noise? Asked Jess, puzzled. Just then Willow arrived. Jess told her about the flashing lights in the sky. "Oh, you mean lightning," said Willow. "The flashes in the sky are called lightning." Just then some more lightning lit up the sky. Seconds later the grumbly noise echoed around the farm again. Jess had a thought. The grumbly noise always comes after the lightning. Maybe the noise has something to do with the lightning. "That's very clever, Jess," said Willow. "The grumbly noise is called thunder. Lightning is always followed by thunder." "Thunder is the sound that lightning makes," said Jess. "That's a grumbly noise. It's thunder. We've found the answer. Yippity-yay! Hooray!" The gang jumped up and down. Just then, big splashes of rain fell from the sky. The friends ran inside to watch the storm, and this time even Bar enjoyed the grumbly rumbly noise. The end.